Why, hello there, everybody. Stephen Geen here, aka Grateful Trekker. Now, today I wanted to go over another new piece of gear that I'm going to be using in 2022. Now, it's not a backpacking piece of gear, but I do have a family, I have a wife and 2 kids, so we do car camp. And most of the time when we do, we go to dispersed camping. Now, if anybody out there has ever done it, you know what it's about. So it's basically a campground that has no amenities. Generally no picnic tables, sometimes you get a fire ring, no bathrooms. So I'm pretty excited about this. It is a cooking station. Now, I like to cook and I like to camp. And most of the time I end up doing all my cooking on the ground. That's going to change. Here it is. Let's go ahead and set it up. So here it is. Have not locked the tables into place yet. Every one of them locks in, like so. And then it's nice and sturdy. Each one has 2 locking points. And there it is. So that is all I have for you guys today. Remember, get outside, find your inner self, and have a grateful day.